Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Jimbo. Happy birthday to you. Mag-ingat ka lagi. Stay healthy. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lola Jimbo. God bless you. I love you.
Hi, this is Noah. Happy birthday to the Jimbo. Take care. God bless.
Kuya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Jimbo. We love you.
Hello po, Tito Jimbo. Happy birthday po.
Hi, Tito.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Jimbo.
Wishing you good health. And yun lang po. God bless you.
God bless you, Tito.
We
We
love
miss
you.
you. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Paring Jimbo. Happy birthday. And I hope you have more birthdays to come. I wish you well, pare. Happy birthday.
Tal, happy birthday. Itong May 14. Kalain mo yun. Oh, birthday mo na naman. Ah, aabot ka niyang 110. Okay, happy birthday, ha? Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hello.
Hello, Kuya Jimbo. Happy birthday. Good health and
God bless.
God bless.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Tol. Nawa ay bigyan ka pa ng mga
birthday.
buhay. More birthday to come. Happy birthday. We love you here.
God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tal. Happy birthday. Thank you. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jimbo. Enjoy your day. We love you. Ngata nawa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Love you.
Hello, Kuya Jimbo. Happy birthday. God bless. May you have more birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jimbo. And to Marlena. Alam ko birthday din niya.